Oh, my dear. Fog water already has a great baneful vibe, with or without the air quality. I don't bring up baneful properties of most ingredients, but we'll do it this once. Now, as a reminder, fog water does not work through force, but it can work on interfering with clarity. Fog obscures, it conceals, it disorients. When you add it to something like a ward or in a baneful working, it can make it hard for people to clearly see you, track you, to stay focused on you. I have found it very helpful when somebody's paying too much attention, or trying to track what I'm doing, or getting involved where they don't belong, watching, stalking, prying, interfering. Fog water can add confusion to that mix. Things become less clear, less direct, harder for them to follow. And some practitioners like to use fog water to conceal their energetic signature when they are doing baneful workings. It makes it harder to trace the working back to them, and it also makes it harder for others to interfere. Now, because we're talking about baneful workings, let's get something clear. Fog is not domination. It doesn't override, certainly doesn't replace real world action. If you have a problem with somebody, block them. If you want distance, you're still going to have to create it. If you want less attention on a situation, you need to quit feeding it. The practice supports your mundane actions. It doesn't replace them. But if you're looking for less attention on you, less focus, you want that person to be confused, disoriented, to have less clarity, where they lose track, they can't watch as closely, and things slip past them. That is how this can show up. And once you have a basic understanding of how fog works, you can use it correctly instead of forcing it to do something it was never meant to do. This kind of working doesn't make a lot of noise, but it can make you harder to find.